Hey guys, I'm at the train station. Oh yeah.
Make your camera go this way.
Okay. That's for you guys. This time I'm recording in landscape mode. Oh yeah.
Hi guys.
Guys, I'm recording this way now, just for you guys. Metro train, upbound. Oh yeah. With my friends.
Hey. Hi guys.
Yo.
Try to do this. Let's see if this works, guys. It works!
Double engine.
Must have broken down because I saw a wire connected to it.
Oh, okay.
That makes sense.
It does.
What are the chances of the RNG causing this to happen?
Yeah. Wouldn't it be hard for the engine to pull it because it's a whole engine that's being pulled?
Yeah, you're right. So that's why they need two ones.
Alright, there goes that train. And it's gone.
Well, this is so stuck.
Wait, what if another train is coming?
Why is that going on?
Well, that's weird. There we go, second metro train.
Landscape. Do landscape.
Alright, there we go.
Well, how does the hand technique work?
This one also worked. Eh.
Coastal fan does this just say.
Well, it's confirmed. If you want a train to honk for you, just hold your hand out like this.
Guys,